How you doing? My name's Andy, or A Spiffy. I'm just going to do a real quick review on this TS100. I was watching a couple videos online. One was Lewis Rossman. He did a review on it, and so did Jillian Elliott. And on this particular soldering iron, and I was like, hey, you know what? That looks really cool because I'm so used to using one of those old school ones, the old Radio Shack or Craftsman or whichever Weller. Some more expensive Weller ones have the actual temperature, but these old pen style, and you can never tell what the temperature is, and you gotta just kind of trust that it's hot enough. Gotta wait a while. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna start ditching this thing because I don't like it anymore. Going back to this guy, yeah, this thing rocks. Uh, so I got this on Amazon, and I paid like $79 for it. Came with a couple tips. This is the second one, which is a conical one, which I'm probably not ever going to use. I may use it once, I don't know, we'll see. But right now I have the TSBC2 installed on my unit. It comes with a ground strap, and which is right here, which as you see I haven't even opened it up yet. An Allen wrench so you can change your tips out. So move this out of the way, close it together, move it out of the way, and this is the unit that I purchased, and it's real nice, real small. Still a little warm. I had it on a little bit ago, but comes with a power supply, which is this one. It's a 19 and 2.1 amp power supply. In the back of this, you have a DC input, which you can also buy an adapter so you can like plug in a LiPo or a rechargeable battery, so that way you can be more portable than just being tied to an outlet. It also has a USB, so if there's any firmware updates, you can update that. You can also go in and do a configuration. There's a configuration file on there. I should probably do a little more in-depth video later, but plug it in and it gives you the version number, and it's ready for you to press a button which is pointing to the A button, and that'll cause it to heat up. And as you can see, it's heating up, showing you the tips getting up, warming up to the default is like 300C, and that's usually where I've been leaving mine at this point. I did a couple changes in there so I could actually do more than I can adjust it up and down. What happened to my solder? So it's fully hot, and put some solder on there, which I probably need to clean my tip a little better, but that's she's all nice and warm. So it also has another feature for putting it back, which I can never seem to get right. You press and hold, puts it back into standby. And it also does it about 3 minutes. You can adjust that. It'll go into standby. So if you walk away and come back in 3 minutes, it'll cool down to a temperature and then go into a standby mode. Well, that's about it. I hope you liked the video. If you do, press the thumbs up. Leave a comment. If you don't, thumbs down. And I'll see you in the next video. So have a good one.